What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Clank from Ratchet and Clank. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of our circle, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top of that circle, come around towards the bottom, towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to trace each of the eyes along the inside. So we'll start from the top left, we'll step down, just leave an even space gap all the way around. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the bottom edge of the jaw. Let's line up at the bottom of the eye, all the way over towards the left. Just going to curve this down in the center and then bend that back up towards the right side. Now we're going to add a bevel along the top edge of the mouth. So from the end, just draw a short angle line coming down and out. Now on the left side, I'm just going to follow that same curve going all the way across towards the middle and then up towards the right. Now you want to connect these outside points with the curve for the chin. Let's start back on the left. We bring this down, round at the chin, go across, and then up. And then from that top point, we draw a straight line going up. Just going to line this up with the top edge of the eyes. And we'll close off the top of the head with a large half circle. Let's start on the left. We'll go up, spin that in towards the middle, go across, and then bring that back down. Let's add that detail on the top of the head. We're going to start with a straight line going across the middle, and then from the ends draw a straight angle line going up and out towards the top of the head. Let's trace these lines along the inside. So come down and close off the top. Now we're going to add a seam in the center. Starting on the left, just follow the same curve of the head going across. From the center of the head, let's move all the way up to the top and draw a circle. And we'll connect that circle to the top of the head with two lines. We'll start with the one on the left, coming down. We'll do that again on the right. Now we're going to add a hinge in between the top of the head and the jaw. So from here, we're going to step up, start with a straight line going out. And we'll line that up on the right. Let's come down to the bottom, draw a straight line going out. And we want to line this up with the end of the top line. Connect the top and bottom with a curve. Then on the outside, draw a small half circle. Now from here we're going to move down and draw the top edge of the body. Let's leave a gap underneath the head, draw a straight line going across. From the ends we're going to curve the body going out and then down towards the hip. And we'll connect the bottom with a straight line. Let's connect the head to the body with two lines, one on the left and one on the right. Now we're going to add a detail in the center of the body. Let's start right in the middle, start with a straight line going across. From the ends, draw a straight angle line coming down. And we'll close off the bottom. Let's trace this area along the inside. And we'll draw one more line going across the center. Let's go to the center of the body. Draw a circle, go all the way out to the side of the body and draw two more. Now just below that center circle, draw a straight line going across, angle this up and out towards the top, and go straight out across those side circles. Now from the hips, we're going to step in, draw two straight angle lines coming down and in, and we'll close this off. From the bottom corners, draw the inside leg coming down and out with a straight line. Now from here we draw a circle going out, all the way around and then back up. Let's go back up to the top and draw another straight angled line coming down on top of the circle. Let's go to the bottom of the circle, draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the ankle. And then we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add some texture inside the legs, starting on the left with a curve, do the same thing on the right. Now along the top of the thigh, we're going to curve this up and out. Let's go back to the inside of the ankle, curve the heel coming in and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up. Let's go to the outside of the left foot, curve this up, and then bring that in towards the outside of the ankle. Now from the outside of the ankle, we'll draw a short line coming down, then this down, and then out towards the side of the foot. Let's add a little bit more detail to the bottom of the feet. From the heel, we'll step out, draw a straight line going up, and follow that curve coming in, and then come back down. Let's leave a gap and do that again. Going up, curving with the foot to the front, and come straight down. I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on that shoulder piece. From the top corners of the body, draw a straight angled line going up and out. Let's go back to the inside, angle this down and out towards the bottom. And then along the bottom, we'll draw that straight angled line going up. And we'll close off the outside. Let's add a half circle across the shoulders. Now from that inside point, angle this down and out towards the elbow. And then we'll draw a circle going out, around, and then back up. From the outside corner of the shoulder, we'll step in, draw another straight angled line coming down towards that circle. Let's go to the bottom of that circle, draw 2 straight lines coming down. And it'll round up the bottom. Now we go back to the inside of the wrist and draw the thumb with a half circle coming in and then out. Now let's connect the bottom to the top with a curve going up and in. Let's go to the bottom of the thumb, draw the first finger coming down, bending that up, step down, go out and then up. And we'll add one more finger going all the way around and then in towards the outside of the wrist. Now from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to add a curve going across the top of the fingers, going up and out. And then we'll finish this off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Clank from Ratchet and Clank. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.